How much does an icebreaker ship cost? Have you ever wondered how much it costs to build a ship that can cut through thick ice in polar regions? Icebreaker ships are among the most specialized vessels in the world, and their price tags reflected that. Let's break down the costs involved in these remarkable ships. Modern heavy icebreakers typically come with a hefty price tag, often costing several $billion each. For instance, the United States Coast Guard is working on a program to build 3 new heavy icebreakers. The total estimated cost for this program is around $5.1 billion, which averages out to about $1.7 billion per ship. This figure has actually increased significantly from earlier estimates, highlighting the rising costs of construction. In Canada, the Polar Icebreaker project aims to replace an aging fleet with 2 new heavy icebreakers. The total estimated cost for this project is around $0.5 billion. This includes costs for project management, design, and acquisition, with the acquisition alone estimated at approximately $7.1 billion for both vessels. One of these ships has a contract value of about 3.15 billion Canadian dollars, which is roughly 2.3 billion United States dollars. Several factors influence the costs of icebreakers. First, these ships requiring powerful engines and specialized hull designs to break through thick ice. This complexity adds to the overall expense. Additionally, modern icebreakers often come equipped with advanced scientific and operational capabilities. Features like flight decks for Arctic-capable helicopters and moon pools for deploying equipment increase their functionality but also their cost. Construction timelines for icebreakers can be lengthy, often taking 7 years or more. Delays during construction can lead to significant cost increases, sometimes by hundreds of millions of dollars. The operating and maintenance costs over the decades also add to the total investment. For example, estimates for operating 3 United States polar security cutters reach around $12.4 billion over their service lives. The high costs of icebreakers reflected their essential role in polar regions. These vessels enable year-round access to areas covered by sea ice, supporting scientific research, sovereignty patrols, resource exploration, environmental monitoring, and search and rescue operations. The development of modern icebreakers in the 20th century marked a significant advancement in polar capabilities, allowing nations to maintain a presence and conduct missions in some of the most challenging maritime environments on Earth. In summary, a modern heavy icebreaker ship typically costs between $1.5 billion and $2 billion or more. When considering total program costs for multiple vessels, the figures can reach several $billion. This investment is vital for maintaining operational capabilities in the polar regions, where icebreakers serve as essential tools for navigation, research, and national interests.